You know, when I started this channel, I was very stressed, very tense. I literally used to reshoot the video 10 or 20 or even 30 times sometimes before it was perfect according to me, and before I uploaded it. And as time went on, I realized, why am I doing that? I'm getting the message across, whether it's food reviews or motivation or inspiration, whatever. And it's all about being myself at the end of the day. I've got a normal job, just like you. And I'm a normal person, just like everyone else. There's nothing special about me. So I just learned to relax and accept it as is. And now today, I'm so comfortable with the videos. I can't even explain it. It comes, I won't say it comes naturally, it's still a bit dense. I must say I'm still a bit uncomfortable. But it's so much easier than it was in the beginning. Because I'm walking in nature, as I love, I really love it. And I'm just myself, just relaxing. So try it yourself. Try just to relax. Forget about everything and just be yourself. Love you guys, till next time.